Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. This one is a short one. So I received this part from a company that contacted me through Instagram. They sent me this little box and I'm gonna try it out. Basically this little box is for if you have wired Apple CarPlay, it would convert it into wireless. Okay, so let me show you what's in the box and then we're gonna try to install it and tell you guys how it works. Let's go. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Take a minute, boop boop, no, boop 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 boop, hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. It came in this little box. This is the box. There you go. This is what it says on it. Let's open it up. Come on. All right, have the manual that's in here. This is the little, basically the little wired to wireless converter, and then you have the cable, the USB cable. This is an extra adapter. That's cool. They send an adapter just in case. Okay, so here's the manual. Let's go through it real quick. It should be fairly easy. It's in different languages, so basically everything you need to do is in these two pages. This is the English. All right, let's try it out, guys. Let's show you guys. This is the little box. We're gonna need the cable that it comes with. This car does not have USB-C, it has regular USB. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect the little box to the USB, then we're gonna connect it. You can connect this to the USB. Okay, it's connected. It's that simple, guys. Now let me grab the key. All right, guys, so after you put this this thing on, turn on the radio, you go to your phone, go to settings, go to Bluetooth. You gotta find the little box, look for CarPlay box. I find CarPlay box, connect, allow to be to contact sync, use CarPlay, yes. It's connected on my phone. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, it's connected on the phone. It's connected on the car. Let's hit Apple CarPlay. Let's give that a second. All right, guys, here you go. It's working. It's working. Let me go to, there you go, to my music. It is working. Takes a little bit, but it's working, guys. You can see all my mix. I can play something. Nice, right? And you can see my phone is not connected. It's going through this little box right here, guys. Not bad, right? I like that. I like that. Then you have all your Apple CarPlay stuff. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, guys, right? I like that. That's pretty cool. Okay, guys, that's it. It was a simple one. Hope you guys liked it. So here you go, guys. Right. We can't play too much. We don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. And we got the map, you know. So as you guys can see, it works. See, it does work, guys. See, guys, definitely works. Nice. All right, guys, that's it. So guys, as you can see, it's all done. This is really easy. You plug it in, you go to your Bluetooth, connect to Bluetooth, and then give that a second. It will go to wireless Apple CarPlay, so you don't have to keep connecting it. What do you guys think? I think I like it. This is all done. Nice little quick thing. I'll put everything in the description down below. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Anyway, this is all done, guys. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.